Wow!
What?
Look at that!
What'd I do?
Fantastic
What'd
job.
I do?
Got up.
Got on your leg, on your knee.
That was great.
I can walk, I can jump, and I can spin around in a circle. And I can go on my knees. And I can crawl. Sorry, Mom.
It's alright.
And I can get up in the background. Sorry again.
No problem.
What?
Alright, I'm going to turn this off before we kill somebody, alright?
Bye. I'm going to keep hula hooping, but Mom's going to turn off the video.